Welcome everyone. Well, in this episode, we're going to take a look at what I consider to be the best phone holder for your Spark, your Mavic Air, or your Mavic Pro. Why do I consider it to be the best? Well, you got to check this thing out. It is super light, and let me just flip it over so you can see it. It's got this really weird design. Like, it's a design we should have had a long time ago, but it's pretty cool. So I'm going to take it off the controller and attach it from scratch and show you how it's all designed. This is the box it comes in, and this product is actually by Freewell, and inside this box is, well, this is it. It just pops out of the box and it looks pretty much like that, and there's not much to it, and it's super light. Check this out. So it's 56 grams, and here's a close-up look at the unit. You just pull this out, pull this back, and there's a little springy action for your phone. You can tilt this. You have a little tightener here to hold it in place, and this is how it connects to your actual controller. It's a really fast design. Watch this. It works the same with a Spark, a Mavic Air, or the Mavic Pro controller, so we'll use the Mavic Pro for right now because it's the one with the display and you don't want to cover that. Just put this piece of plastic here so you don't cover the USB port, and it slides over like that. And then to lock it securely in place, back here is the screw. You just tighten this, and once that's all tightened, this thing is never coming off. It's super secure, and you have a choice. You can leave these out or close them in. I like them out because I hang on to them with my little thumbs here, and then just attach your phone right here. Once you have your phone on, you can move your phone in any direction you want and tighten it to hold it in the position you wish. And on the back, your antennas are well exposed to receive all the transmissions to and from your drone. No issues there. Now, I will point out that the little cable that comes with your Mavic Air or your Mavic Pro is going to be much too short to reach your phone for most people's phones, so you're going to need a longer cable that you can get off of Amazon. Just a little tip: if you have a new Samsung phone and a GoPro Hero 5 or 6, well, then the connector cable works perfect in the phone and is just the right size to make it to your controller. Now I'm going to show you a holder for a tablet and a phone that's really cool. Check this out. Here it is, the Freewell Tablet Mount Lite. Right here you can see the minimum size of phone and maximum size of tablet that it accepts. And here we have everything that comes in the box. And let's weigh this here tablet holder from Freewell. It weighs 237 grams in your hand. So if you already have a tablet holder, by all means weigh it and see if your tablet holder is made out of metal. This is aluminum. See if it weighs as little as this, because that's very little for an all-metal tablet holder. This portion is plastic. This is all metal. One thing that's really interesting about this tablet holder is that it has a free turning screw. It does not unscrew, and this moves all over the place, but to secure everything tight, it does a double duty screw. So in other words, you put your tablet in the location you want, you have this tilted where you want, and then when you turn this one dial, it locks this and it locks this together. So now it can't spin, this can't move, everything's locked, so it's a one dial locking system. One thing that's kind of impressive with this piece of base unit, the metal lip right there and the way the metal is bent backwards, watch when I put it together. It is molded perfectly together as one unit. So when you clamp the arms in place, you end up with one solid unit. And what I really like is that the tablet sits over the center of your controller, so it's very balanced. You could actually hold your controller with just a few fingers. And there you go. You can see from the side. And one thing really smart with Freewell is they actually include the cables with it. So you don't have to go buy extra cables. So if you put a tablet on there, they know, well, you're going to need some sort of extension. So they already have the cables here for your iPad or your Android tablet. And as you can see here, the cables they supply are actually good quality, not the cheap plastic stuff. Now you could attach a phone if you wished. I'll just put a phone in here, but you'll see there's a problem. Nobody flies their drone like this with a phone like that. So if you spin it, well, then your phone is off to the side. So it's not an issue if you don't mind flying with your phone over on the side, because you can see everything. It's pretty decent that way. I'll just put these little antennas up. For a guy like me, I can actually see my joysticks a little bit better, so that's not too bad. And as well, Freewell is one of the few companies that actually includes a lanyard with their actual tablet holder. And just in case you're wondering, can I use this in my Perda Nafi or my Autel Evo? The answer is no. You would need this one. This one is not the light version. This one's the full version. It has a square bottom made out of aluminum, everything pretty much the same. It will work in the Autel Evo and the Perda Nafi. And here it is in an Autel Evo controller, and I'll show you in a Perda Nafi controller. And there it is in the Perda Nafi controller. Now, one thing I should mention, these were never designed for the Perda Nafi or the Autel Evo. So Freewell, when this was made, these two drones didn't exist. So they're not really 100% made for these controllers. But knowing Freewell, they're definitely going to have a tablet holder for the Perda Nafi and the Autel Evo that will be specific to these models to fit really well. All right, so once again, I'm going to put the links to this here tablet holder. It's more a tablet holder than a phone holder in my opinion. I'm going to put it below. You can check it out. this is not very expensive for a billeted aluminum tablet holder. And that brings me to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you want to see more drone reviews and product reviews, hit that subscribe button. Much more coming on the way. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next video.